Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go live. Have people wanting me to do a live stream. And I might as well go ahead. The audio is going to be terrible. There's going to be crackling in it. And it seems to be a problem with the FFmpeg script that I'm using. Because the audio recording is just fine with AuCat or some other like Audacity or something like that. But whenever I'm streaming with the script, it's crackly and shitty sounding. So, yeah, that's a problem. We're going to fix that. But I've done an encrypted install for the first time ever, which is kind of neato. It was super easy. Like doing an encrypted OpenBSD install is super easy. I took notes and everything that way. What? I've got you open down here. Okay, fine. Whatever. I'll just take you up here. That's fine. Okay. But anyway, let me see. If I go to what was I going to do? Awesome. I've completely forgotten what I was going to do. That's just epic. That's exactly what I wanted. I mean, I've been working on updating everything. I took notes on everything I needed to add, and I'm going to modify the post-install script to be a full install guide for an encrypted install on OpenBSD. I'm going to try and cover a lot. I have a buddy who's coming over, so this is going to be a short stream anyway. But I want to try and use this to fix the audio. So let me see. Crackling with mic FFmpeg. Okay, so this is exactly the opposite of what we want. Crackling recording with FFmpeg. Here we go. And of course, there's no response to it. I mean, I am also not setting the audio rate, so that could be something. I could at the very least try it, but before I start messing around with that, I kind of need people to join the stream. But I didn't really tell anyone that I was going to be live streaming. So let me post on Discord and let everyone know real quick. Let me pop over there. I'll just post it in general chat. I'll just be like, I'll just post a hidden thing in general talk. Whoever sees it will see it. I'll also message Scott so he can hop in here. I'm live. Just let him know. That way he can hop in, and I'll let Felix know too, because he asked earlier. Okay, let me shoot out a couple of those messages. Cool beans. Okay, so maybe it has something to do, because I am not setting the audio rate. That could definitely be it. I'm so interested to why this is happening. Let me see. I keep wanting to use Cube. So I've switched back over to using Chromium. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need to like make it to where people like, or I need to make it so where my phone will only accept notifications, because like I can't turn it on Do Not Disturb, just in case my friend, my buddy Drew Bear, when he shows up, can't have can't have him texting me or something or knocking on the door where I can't hear it. Scott, how's it going? Welcome. Look, the audio crackling issue is still going to happen, but now that I have you in here, we can work on this, okay? We can fix it, because I know for a fact that now the audio crackling thing is an FFmpeg issue. It has something to do with the FFmpeg script, something, because the recording is just fine in AuCat, so we need to fix it on up. I think it's the audio rate, so let me go ahead and I'm going to open up the script here, and you might be like, oh no, Tyler, you fucked up last time and you shared your, good Lord, if I could think, you shared your stream key with everyone. Look at this. I have improved the script quite a bit, because now it just cats out a file in my home directory that I don't back up anywhere. It'll just it'll just cat out the stream key file that I have in my home folder. So now I can share the script and work on it live, no problem. Don't even have to worry about it. So I've removed the use wall clock, not because it was causing an issue, but because I know it wasn't fixing anything. So just to make sure that I don't add unnecessary variables into the issue, I've removed that. But we're gonna try, and I'm gonna try to see if I can essentially just change values and then kill the script and then restart it after I've saved the changes. So first off, just so we get the testing correct, the audio is crackling right now. Am I right or am I right? I just want to see in chat, let me know. Just give me the yay, it is crackling, because I want to make sure that we're actually crackling right now. That way, when I restart the stream back up, you know, we can have something to really compare it to. Because if it's working just fine right now, then, well, fuck it. Okay, so yeah, it's crackling a bit. Good. Okay, so now what we're going to try to do, because in this command right here, he's saying that this gives him the crackling sound. No one helped him, but part of the thing that he's doing in the one that works, because he's also piping the stuff into FFmpeg up here, and this one works just fine, this one doesn't. So it probably has something to do with him using ALSA here, but let's see if we can try setting the audio rate to, because I believe that's what it should be set at. It's 4800 or 48,000 hertz, I believe. You know what, before we do that, let's see if we can find any other things. Let's see. I mean, we could try doing something other than AAC, I think. I mean, it may just be the codec that we're using as the problem for audio. That might be it. Let's see, like, what codec is this dude doing? A codec, ACC, you know. Dash A codec. Well, I mean, we're doing codec. Which is the same thing. AAC. Dash strict experimental. 192K. Oh, that's a high audio bit rate. But okay. I don't know what the strict flag does. I have no fucking clue what that is. Shit, bruh. We could try this. Let's just copy that right there. Let's throw this on the back of our AAC audio codec, and function insert, give it a space. Okay, so strict experimental, which I have no idea what does, but we're going to set the audio bit rate to 192. Maybe it's a bit rate issue. I mean, that would make sense. I would really expect that to make sense, because crackling could definitely be that. So let's go ahead, and I have no idea what the strict experimental is doing, so we might have to remove that. But let's, you know what, hold on, just so we make sure what we know what's actually fixing it, if it does fix it, let's just do the audio bit rate. Let's make it 192, and let's try that. Let's do WQ, let's save that. Then I'm going to kill the script and I'm going to kill the script and come back. So give me 1 second. All right, so we should be back. Now that we're back, if I could get a yay or nay on the audio still crackling. Hey, Felix, how's it going? How's it going? Hopefully you're doing well. Just so you know, we are trying to see about fixing the crackling audio. Okay, so it's still crackling. All right, okay. Audio is still crackling. Don't worry. That is what we are tackling today. More now. Fucking course. Of course it's worse. Okay, so we're going to try the strict flag as well. I don't know what this does with FFmpeg. Have absolutely no idea. But we're going to try this out. And then I'll restart the script again. So we'll see. Okay, save that. I don't know why I keep writing and quitting it. I don't have to do that. You know, I could just write the changes. Anyway, so let me go down here. I'm going to restart the script. All right, so we should be back. Now, is it worse, better, mega worse, 6 times worse? Still crackly. All right, okay. Worse. Okay, so all of this stuff only made it worse. So epic. What we're going to do is we're just going to delete all of it, because if that doesn't help, don't quit it, just write it. All right, come back to streaming. All right, I have applied the changes to that. Ow, shit. Oh my god. Ow. Oh. Okay. All right. I just need the shit out of the leg, my metal leg from my desk. Oh my god. Of course I hit right on the motor side too. Oh, it's terrible. So, okay. This whole shit right here did not help at all. Oh. Finding out this is going to be crackling sound and recording audio with FFmpeg. Yes, sir. Let's talk about it. Version 4.3 seems to have this. That doesn't fucking help me. It seems to be that giving the AQ0 reduces this issue. Audio quality parameter. All right. You know what? I've seen the audio rate 48,000. I'm not setting the audio rate. So we're going to try it with setting the audio rate here first, because I've seen that. We're going to see if this makes any difference whatsoever. Okay. So y'all boys, let me know if this changes anything at all. And by the way, also, I do want to go ahead and say thank you, Scott, Felix, Honeypot. Thank all of you guys for being here in this testing stream. Thank you. Okay. So now I have set the audio rate to 48,000. Let me know if there's any fix at all. Any change whatsoever. Or if it's just as terrible as it was before. Okay, no fix. Perfect. Thank you, Scott. Thank you very much. All right, so we will try out the audio quit flag. Or audio quit. Audio quality 0. Let's try that. Excuse me. All right, we are going to restart here. Let me know if there's any change after this. Oh, restart. Okay, boys, let me know if there's any change here. If there's no change whatsoever, we might be looking at switching the audio codec up. That fixed. Or wait, are you shitting me? It's better? It's better now? No fucking way. Are y'all being serious? Nah, y'all are trolling. Mostly not fixed. Okay. Oh, damn it, man. Y'all fucking me up. I got so excited. I was like, really? Really? It's better. Okay, but it's not perfect. Gotcha. A tiny bit of static still. Okay. Hey, at least it's better. All right. So I guess what we could do, there is a difference. Okay. So there's a difference. It's not perfect, but it's much better. Gotcha. Okay. We definitely could try doing the Pcm audio codec. I mean, I know Jack Diddley. It's not like I know anything about AAC, but I know Jack Diddley squad about this either. So we could try it, see if it's greatly improved, or if it even lets me stream with it. So I'll go ahead and put this in here, and we'll try it out just to see if it's better. So I'll go ahead and add that in there. And then if it's not better, or if I can't stream or whatever, we'll come back with AAC. So let me save that. And then we'll restart. Again, boys, let me know if this is better. And also, thank you guys very much for being here for this. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So that did not work. With having that audio codec in there, it did not work at all. And I also need to take this up here because the FFplay window will not load up if it's below the FFmpeg script for kind of obvious reasons. I just wanted to see if it would work down there before, because just for reasons I wanted to see. So that audio codec will not work. It's worse. I didn't change anything. I didn't, we just went back to AAC. Wait, really? It's worse. Yep, worse. What the fuck? Huh? How is it worse? I've changed nothing. Well, fuck on me. How does that make any sense? Hold on, let me just try saving this. I guess I'll restart the stream. I'll just try this. Hold on, let me just, maybe I did, I don't know, maybe it did, I have no idea. Okay, got my webcam. Let's move this up here. Now look, the audio is not going to be in sync with the video, of course, but it still sound like shit. The stream did stop because I tried out the other audio codec and it did not work. Same. Okay, so it's still just as bad as before. Perfect. Awesome. That is exactly the intended thing that I wanted to happen. Perfect. Okay, let's find let's find some more stuff. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. Hold on, let's see. Crackling audio. Oh no, I don't want that one. Let's see. There was one, audio glitches and distortions. Let's see, when recording ALSA. No, we're not recording ALSA. Okay, no, this does not help us out at all. Crackling, recording with FFmpeg. Yeah, see this, he's doing an audio bit rate of 128K, which I believe the maximum for well, I mean, if we're going to be completely honest, there was some crackling issues before I switched over to OpenBSD 7.1, but I just didn't, I don't think they were this bad. But when I did upgrade, I kind of played around with some stuff, and so I honestly don't know. Fuck me, dude. I have no idea now. I genuinely don't know. I have no idea. Like, this is even a more fresh install than 7. Hey, you know what? Hold on. Here's something I haven't done. Let's just do this while we're working here. pkg underscore add dash uvi. Let's just go ahead and just run an update in the background. Let me move that down to another workspace. We'll just run that in the background. Who knows? Maybe FFmpeg has an update. Like maybe 7.1 like included an updated FFmpeg, and then like maybe there's update to like fix it. I have no fucking clue. I have no idea. How long has he been a YouTuber? Not long enough. If you're expecting professionalism and know-it-all from here, yeah, you're not going to get it. Let me see. So, yeah, I can't even tell what audio codec he's using. I don't think he's even using. Okay, you know what? Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Crackling audio with pulse audio. No. See, this does not have. Screen capture is producing crackling. Oh, fantastic! That's exactly what I was looking for. I'm a big nerd myself. I wonder if anyone would watch me doing this kind of stuff. See, here's the thing. I don't think anyone wants to watch me do this kind of stuff, but I get asked by quite a few people. They're like, yeah, I definitely want to see you like messing around with this kind of stuff. It's interesting. I'm like, okay. Like, me personally, like, I mean, I'm going to do it. I enjoy doing it, but I would assume that most people do not want to watch somebody just like troubleshoot a dumbass script. I just would assume they don't, but turns out, yeah, a lot of people like it. So I have no idea. Okay, I keep using Qt browser. Oh my gosh, I'm so used to Qt browser. I need to stop. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that's like makes sense. Let's try the audio bit rate. Let's try changing the audio bit rate. Now that we've got the audio quality flag, like hold on. Let me get man FFmpeg going. Dude, this thing is so long. Like, so long. Can we search for AQ? There we go. Okay, quality output. Set the audio quality codec specific VBR. This is an alias for -Q:A. Got you. Okay. So -A codec. It's an alias for -codec A. I knew that one. So set the audio quality codec specific. Yeah, so 0, I don't even know what 0 is. What would be a good, like, what's the best VBR or best, yeah, what's the best VBR for AAC? Oh, shit. It only happens with FFmpeg. Yes. It's not an open, like, this is not an OpenBSD problem with the crackling with the audio. It's genuinely something to do with this FFmpeg script. Well, I mean, you have to muck about with audio outside of FFmpeg I do, because I don't use the internal sound card, which is set as the default one. So I set the default one to be this USB microphone, and that's about it. Like, that's pretty much all I do when it comes to mucking about with audio. So it wasn't the cord. Seems to be not. It seems to not be the cord. Even though I personally want to just buy a cord, slap it in there, and like, even if I do something behind the scenes that gets it working, I just want to be like, yeah, it was the cord. Yeah, I was right all along. It's probably not. I was probably dead wrong. Leo, how's it going? Thank you, Daryl. Thank you. Yeah, there's not a lot of, I mean, me and Root and the OpenBSD guy, like we've talked about it, there's not a lot of OpenBSD content creators. There's really not. Try different sound server. Can't. That's not really an option. Because it's not the audio server's problem. It's literally FFmpeg, because I can record with AuCat using the same device, the default one, or you technically you could map it to SD0, but now you don't have to. It's you can always do it. Whatever. You can map it to SD. You can map for me, this right here, this is a USB microphone. USB audio devices will be mapped to SND 1, 2, and so forth. The more USB audio devices you have hooked up. For me, this is the only one. So I have SD0, which is the internal sound card, or SD/0, and then SND/1 for this one. I map it to be the default. So yeah, it's probably a problem with, it has something to do with the audio codec. Like, it's something in this script. It's just shit. It's just shit. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to set the audio bit rate as well. I'm going to try doing that again. We tried 192K and it didn't go good. So we're going to try 128K. We're going to try that. We're going to try 128K. All right. Audio bit rate 128K, because that's just, we're going to try it. I don't know. I know there was somebody else up here who was setting theirs. I think it wasn't in this fucked up script right here. Yeah, setting it to 128K. We tried setting it to 192K. That made it worse. I know you do, Scott, and it's weird. It works perfectly. Like, I'm telling you, man, FFmpeg is like the most finicky bitch in the world. It's just all up in the air as to whether or not it's going to work. Space Guy, welcome. I don't even use OpenBSD, and I enjoy watching this. So you just enjoy watching my pain. That's what it is. You're like, and that's why I won't be switching over to OpenBSD today. Let's be real. All right, so I'm going to, just so everyone who's in this stream is caught up, if you've just recently hopped in here to what's going on, we are trying to fix the crackly audio, okay? So take a good listen. Take a good listen to the crackling of the audio, all right? So I'm going to try and set the bit rate to 128K here. We're going to see if that changes jack shit, all right? So let's see. I've saved this. I'm going to go ahead and do it again, and then I'm going to restart the stream. Let me know if the audio is still crackly or not, and give it a second when I start talking and come back. Should just take but a second, but still, give it a second to make sure that you can actually tell the audio. All right. Okay, we're back. We are back after a brief intermission, and the audio might be better. Wait, it has don't change nothing. It's actually gotten better? No, it's bad again. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Oh my god. On Arch Linux, I use the... Okay, look, we got people throwing help in here. All right. It had gotten good over the course of a few minutes. Oh my god. What the shit? I don't know. Oh god. It was good before you reset. It made it worse. Of course it did. Like, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, let's not set the audio bit rate. Let's just not. And how and why is it getting better over the course of time? Like, I don't know if you guys know anything about how an audio bit rate works, or excuse me, not bit rate, but how an audio codec works. I don't think it should get better over time. Wait, hold on. So you're using libvorbis as your audio codec, and you're using the quality of 8. And what's the AC flag for? Don't remember. Okay, so we might try libvorbis next, because I don't think we can get better. Just buy a new cord. I know, man. I know. I'm probably going to buy a new cord just to test it out. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to go back to this so that we don't, like, everyone doesn't hate me. Okay. Now this is just the regular old, this is what we had before. It's still going to be crackling, or at least it should. If it doesn't, I don't fucking know. That makes no sense whatsoever. AC is like stereo or mono. Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. You said, Felix, I agree with a drunken alcoholic. Just leave it for a few minutes and see if it improves like the last reset. I'm sorry. I did not see that until now. Okay. So sorry about that, but leave it for a while. I'll let you know when it gets better. Okay. So let's just see how long it takes to get better. Also, another thing, the audio is out of sync with the video. Yes. Because if the audio is in sync with the video, then I don't even understand what's going on anymore. Like at that point, we've got new issues, old problems fixed. I don't know. I mean, the audio should be out of sync with the camera a little bit, if we're being honest. But let me scroll back up because I do want to see this right here. We might use libvorbis with the audio quality. I think we might do that. Out of sync by at most 500 milliseconds. Okay, so not much, and that makes sense because it's really just the time in between launching up the FF Play window and FF MPEG. I wonder if there's a way that I could get it to where like there's no delay, like both of these commands are like practically launched at the exact same time, because then it would work just fine. Like they'd be in sync, but it's just because there's a slight delay when it has to launch up the webcam and then it moves on to the FF MPEG. Still crackling. Okay. All right. Don't worry, boys. This crackling shit, like this stream right here, we're getting it figured out. All right. One of my good friends might show up just in the middle of this. Yeah, I probably just won't even add the AC flag because it should just use the default, because I think it's going to go stereo unless it's default. Although I don't even know with my microphone. I'm such an idiot. Like genuinely, some people watch me and they're like, "Oh, you're so intelligent." I'm like, "Oh my god, I have tricked you. I am so beyond stupid. Like it hurts." Okay, it's getting slightly better. Still crackling. I don't understand how that's a thing, but I don't know why it would be getting better. That's what I don't understand. Like, why would it be improving over time? Like, that doesn't make any sense. It just, at least to me, I don't think it makes any sense. It would suggest some sort of thread congestion, maybe. Maybe, but also at the same time, like, the thread queue size that I have here for stuff is pretty fucking big. Like, it's a thread queue size of like 4096. I think that's, as far as I know, that's pretty decently sized. Yeah. Well, I mean, I bought a Blue Yeti for doing stuff, and that's one of my purchases that I totally regret, because I'm like, I could have gotten such a better microphone. Just in case you're looking at buying a Yeti, look, it's not a terrible microphone, but objectively you can get better microphones for the money. Like, objectively, you can get way better microphones for the money. Not improving. Okay, so it's not improving at all. That's kind of what I would hope. Kind of. I mean, it might just be one of those things where it just stops after a certain amount of time for some reason. But let's go back up here. We're going to try the libvorbis codec. Hopefully that works, because, I mean, I don't see anything that you're doing. Like, what's the video codec that you're using? Oh, it doesn't even, you're not even specifying the video codec. I think, right? Yeah, I'm not seeing the video codec in there. Yeah, -F also, yeah. Okay, anyway. All right, let's try the libvorbis. All right, let's just try it. Libvorbis, and instead of setting the audio rate and all that stuff, we're just going to set the audio quality, and we're going to set it to 8. Let's save that. Then we're going to restart this and try. All right, boys. We've been waiting it for. Wait, hold on. Let me catch up on chat before I do anything. I spend $1,000 CAD on audio interface and mic and preamp. And it's not because you're dumb. That stuff will one day be like you'll be like, oh, thank God. Like it'll be one of those things where you're like, I'll never get the worthwhile out of it, and then one day you will, and you're like, oh, thank God I spent all this money on that stuff. Yeah. Open a few browser tabs. Just want to see if that had anything to do with it. Okay. Let's just go to Google here. And then, I don't know, I'll open up. Is there a website? No, I don't want to. Hold on. If I search ShitTube, what comes up? I've never searched ShitTube before. Prolapse Comforting ShitTube. And it's an Amazon link. What in the world have I stumbled across? I thought it would just be a funny search, but now I'm getting your Amazon Music account. Like, what? What? Comforting shit to what is this? I'm going to get banned off YouTube for just saying these words. What in the hell have I searched? Okay, it's definitely not that. Let's see. H-top. What's the CPU usage looking like? It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty solid. RAM usage is fine. Yeah, streaming about 81, which is normal. Like, to be honest, the stream script normally takes up quite a bit of CPU. Like, it's pretty normal. So, yeah, there we go. I mean, I don't even know if that's right though. Like, how is this thing showing like 80% CPU usage and it's not really eating up percentage-wise? I don't think that's 80% of my CPU, dog. But whatever you say. This alone made the stream more than worthwhile. Oh gosh, audio's not better. Yeah, are you sure it's not hardware? Pretty sure. Again, it only acts this way with this script. I can record, and I have a recording script that's pretty similar to this using FFmpeg and AuCat, and it records just fine. AuCat is totally fine. Yes, Scott, 6 cores. Remember, I downcored it just to say, like, because again, I'm running it in a really, really, if you don't know, my computer's in a really small form factor mini ITX case. So it's like, again, you can see it next to my phone. Like, it's pretty small, and I spent like $30 on the case. I really cheaped out. There's like no fucking proper airflow in it at all. It's egregiously terrible. I come back when it fixed. Don't worry. That's fine. That's fine. I don't blame you. All right, so let's try the libvorbis. I use top instead of H-top. Yes, I do know top has more accurate stuff, which if you go here, 89% is idle, which makes a lot more sense. So, yeah, but whatever. See, CPU. No, wait. There we go. It's actually pretty accurate. The FFmpeg script is about close to 80%. We could say within margin of error, 80%. So, yeah. His lazy ass didn't bought the cord today? No, I did not. I did not go out and buy a cord. I did go out and work at my grandparents' house. they had a lot of mulching for me to do, so I did that. All right, look, we're going to try the libvorbis, all right? Why do you like the small form factor so much? It's because I carry my computer with me. Like, when I go over to a friend's house, I like to carry my computer over there, because during the night, like, we'll just get on computers, do shit. Like, I don't know. I like bringing it with me. That's really it. And I like the idea of bringing my entire desktop computer with me. I don't really like having two separate devices that I have to like manage and keep working together and, you know, all that shit. We're working on that right now, Nosy. That's actually the whole point of the stream. We're actually working on audio. So listen to that good crackling audio, boys. We're going to try switching out to the libvorbis audio codec here and see if this changes anything. Hopefully this fixes it. Who knows? I'm going to save this again. So I'm going to kill the stream, be right back again. It's going to be just a quick second. All right. So libvorbis does not work with FLV. So it does not work with my video format. So libvorbis won't work with FLV. I can only use AAC with it. And I also, this is just using the audio quality 8. So unplug and reconnect. Imagine if it's this. It's not. Trust me, it's not. It's not. Oh no, Alpha. Don't apologize. Don't apologize. Thank you for offering them. Thank you. Thank you very much. Because again, it's not like there's a ton of help on the internet. And I'm sorry all of you guys have to listen to the crackling audio. So yeah, I know. It makes no sense. No sense. This is so interesting. Let's move to Ubuntu 20.04, 22.04. Yeah, y'all can have fun with that. My dumbass will stay right here, messing with this shit. I need to keep an eye on my phone, make sure my buddy doesn't just show up. Let's move to Plan 9. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's the attitude. Okay. We have to figure out this, boys. We have to figure this out. I'm trying to think what we could do. Let's just search. Let's find streaming scripts. FFmpeg stream script. Let's see what other people are doing in their streaming scripts. Stream YouTube script. Stream video to YouTube. Oh. Okay, someone said they had to leave. Wiggle your mic cable around. There you go. I've wiggled it. I've wiggled it. Someone just messaged me and told me they had to leave chat or had to leave or something because the sound was so bad. Like, trust me, I understand. You gotta message me. Like, I get it. Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. This right here, this is something else. So they're using the FLV. They're using FLV here. But they're using libmp3 lame. Yo, okay. Okay, let's try it. You know what? Why not? What is the flavor of your pod? Menthol. Menthol. I don't understand why Zany doesn't review distros by installing them in a VM and playing around for 30 minutes. That's clearly a full experience. Which that's the whole reason I don't do that shit. Like, it's such an inaccurate representation of something. Like, also, like, trust me, I think we all have had the experience where something works in a VM and then you install it on bare metal and it's just utter garbage, or like doesn't even boot, but it plays fine. All right, I'm going to copy this entire shit right here, okay? We're going to copy this all. I'm going to just yeet it into this script like an absolute reckless child, and we're going to see if this does anything, because can't hurt, you know? I mean, watch me do this, and then like the audio goes from crackling to like just exploding your fucking eardrums. Like, it's just terrible. Yeah, so I think, I can't remember what -B:(A) is. I think that's the bit rate. I think that's the bit rate. I'm not sure. Have no idea. But we're gonna just try this, because he's using pretty much the same shit that we're using. Like, maybe I actually used this as a reference point originally, or something. I have no idea. It does look very similar to what I got going on. But hey, let's try it. Let's try it. We're going to save this, and then we're going to just try again, you know? Urban legend has it that if you have visited Pornhub lately, that it can affect your mic due to mic clogging. Ugh. That just doesn't sound right. Ooh, banana ice. I'm a little jealous. That's much better than just menthol. So, all right, look, boys, I'm going to go ahead. Like, we're not killing the stream or anything. Technically speaking, we're killing the stream, but we're just going to let these changes apply. So as long as this actually works and it starts streaming to YouTube, then I'll be back in like literally a split second. If it doesn't, it'll take me like 2 seconds to delete this and just throw back in the same AAC shit. So look, I'll be right back, boys. All right, we're going to save this. You'll probably just see a loading screen for a few seconds, but just keep in mind the crackling of the audio right now. Just listen to me talk right here. Take it all in. Take in the terrible crackling of the audio, and let's see if this... Okay, that worked. We're streaming to YouTube. We're streaming to YouTube. Okay. Word. Is the audio shit? Okay. Is the audio shit? Let's be real, boys. Or is it good? Is the audio good? Terrible? No changes. Son of a biatch. Crackling still. Motherfucker. Okay. Man, it's got less crackle, but still there. Probably a unanimous yes. God bless. Oh. Well. Damn it. Damn it. Why are you doing it? Like, why? Shit. I have no idea. Let's scroll down here. Let's see if let me take this up here. I'm just reading through these as fast as I can. Itch. Dash A. The dash BA, he's got it set to 128K. Oh my god, this is 712K. Holy shit. Holy shit. That is quite heavy. Okay. You know what? What we're going to do is we're going to do... Oh, shit. What did I do? What did I actually just do? Okay. You know what? We're going to take this right here. We're going to slap this in here. We're going to try that. I doubt this is going to do jack shit, but we're going to try it. Why not? That's what this stream is all about, boys. Let's try new shit. Let's see if it works. Trust me, boys. If your recommendation, like, look, I mean this with all due respect, but look, if your recommendation is to restart the system or something like that, or like wiggle a cord around, trust me when I say I've tried it. Like I'm not saying that the idea is dumb, because I've done it already and it doesn't affect anything. It has to do with something about this script, something about the audio or video codec. Something's happening in this FFmpeg script right here that's causing it to do this, because AuCat records just fine. No audio crackling, no nothing. I mean, there's background noise, obviously, which I remove with Audacity, but you know, you get my point. All right, so let's save that. My OpenBSD netbook is on repair since before the 7.0 release. I'm surviving the anxiety of testing 7.1 watching your videos. Yeah. Like, look, to be honest, like, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really think this is necessarily a 7.1 issue. I don't think so. Like, I mean, it's mainly something to do with the script. But there are, if we're going to be completely honest, there are some issues with 7.1. One being that here, so in CWM, like, it'll pop up geometry, like when I grab a window, you can see it over here. In Chromium, which this is not really an OpenBSD bug, it's a Chromium bug, but the geometry is see-through, and that's the like corner thing up there with the shadow. That's something that Pcm does, but should be hidden, and it's not here. So I mean, that's literally like the smallest fucking bug ever. I mean, it's not like it affects anything. Like, really, me knowing the geometry of like where a window is positioned, like I'm moving it around myself. I can see where it's positioned. I don't need to be told. Yes. So we're going to try this. We're going to try this here. Let me save this, and I'm going to restart this. All right, we're back. I have a feeling that the audio is still going to be terrible, but that's the point of this stream. We are fixing this streaming script. All right. So let me know, how terrible is it? And TFL, I'm glad to see you, brother. Same with Josh, Jeff, low spec Linux laptop, just in case anyone doesn't know what I'm talking about. Tin Lee is also Josh. Anyway, just thanks everybody for being here, okay? Let me know, how bad is the audio? On a scale of 1 to it's same as shit as last time, same crackle. Okay. Okay, so it has the audio rates, the bit rate, everything is fine. It doesn't need to be changed. Like, because changing those so far, from what I can tell, means jack shit. Does literally nothing. So, with that being the case, so I'm streaming to somewhere. That's not sketchy at all, Josh. Lol. Oh my god. Streaming to somewhere. No idea where it is. Let me see if I do the -QA thing and I give it 0. Let's see if that or wait, was it AQ? I think it was AQ. Hold on. Let's do the man FFmpeg, and let's search for AQ or QA. Okay. Slash AQ. Yeah. Okay. So it is AQ. All right. All right. No problem. Okay. Okay. AQ. And let's save that, and giving it the audio quality of 0. I don't know like what this does. Try, yes, the VBR, try 7500. Wait, so like VBR, Wait, hold on. Wait. Whoops. I did not mean to do that. VBR. Well, no, that's the video bit rate. That's the video bit rate. But I mean, I can try it at 8K. But no, because I really kind of need it to be at 10 at 10. I could maybe do 9. I could probably take it down to 9. But I'm streaming in 1440. So taking the VBR down, that's the video bit rate. That's all that does. Like I doubt that will fix anything. But before we do the AQ, I'll take the bit rate down. We'll see if that does something, but it should only decrease the quality of the video quality. You can do 7500. I know, bro. I do 4500. Trust me when I say that's for 1440p. 8,000 or 8 megabits a second is what's recommended for 1080p. I believe that's 30 to 60 FPS between there. YouTube recommends 12,000 or 12 megabytes a second for 1440p 30 FPS streams. Look, I'm telling you, the video bitrate will work at that level. It will be shit, though. It will be terrible quality. Terrible quality. And my internet can handle it. Trust me. I've lowered it down. Here we go. Okay. So I've lowered the bit rate of the stream down a little bit. Took it down a whole megabit. Don't think that'll change anything. Do 75. I'm telling you, Scott, it will. Oh my God. Okay, fine. Just to make Scott happy, we'll do this. Because Scott will not be happy until I do it. 7,500. Okay, let me take this up here. I was going so fast that I accidentally quit out of everything. I quit out of the entire desktop. Okay. So we go to YouTube. Yeah, let's just go to my dashboard and let me go to my Go Live and click here and give me the pop out chat, baby. Give me chat, baby. Come on, pop out chat. Yeet. All right, let me load up a new tab. Or 2600. That's not bad. That's a pretty good bit rate. That's a pretty good bit rate for 720. Now there is audio desync. Oh, there's always going to be audio desync with the camera. That should be always there. Dude, seriously, your problem is it is the cord. Change the script. Can't fix that. You are understandable. Just talk about something else. Okay, look, this is a test stream, dog. I don't know what you want me to talk about. If you want to talk about something, let's talk about it. I can't tell if it's better. Could do 9K. No improvement. Yeah, I knew you were joking. 100%. It probably is the cord, if we're being honest. That's what I think it is. I'm using CWM, AJ, and welcome to the stream. I have no idea. I was about to say something there, but I completely forgot. Your audio is not good. Yes, I know. That's what this whole stream has been about, trying to fix it. Local bin stream OpenBSD. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I want to get this stream script working real nice. It's an encoding issue for sure. I think so too. I totally think so. So let me go back up here. See that? I knew that wasn't going to fix anything. So let me go back up to, I'll just keep it at 95. Let's just do that. Let's do that because that's a fine bit rate. Should be fine. Did you make any changes to the Etsy login conf? Yes, I did. We could go check that. oh wait, let me WQ vim or just in case we want to make some changes, do as vim /etsy login.conf. Let's go there and let's search for the staff group. Cool. And so here's what I got everything set to in here. If you guys have any recommendations on stuff that I should bump up in here, please let me know. But this is what I've got set in here. Time between your seeing chat and our seeing chat that you've seen chat seems to have decreased a lot. Lower latency due to lower VBR. Probably. No video. Wait, what? What do you mean no video? No, it's just here. Just here. Wait, so are you guys not seeing my... Can you guys not see the video at all? No, I meant I stream with no video. Oh, gotcha. Okay. I was so nervous there for a second. I was like, wait, what? Like, I was like, wait, huh? I was so confused. I was like, oh, shit. Whoops. But yeah, if you guys see anything in the login, oh my God, don't slap shit. If you guys see anything in here that you think needs to be changed or could be bumped up, let me know. But yeah, and I've not only set these in here, but I've also obviously done the user mod to add myself to the staff group and the staff login class. So yeah, it shouldn't be anything to do with like, I don't know, like performance really. Should just be something to do with the stream script, which, I mean, I think for one thing, just in case anybody hasn't seen what we've improved so far, first thing that I did before I started the stream was, instead of making it like literally take a stream key and having you plop it in the script, I just made a dot stream key file in my home directory and made it cat that file out. And so that way I can put my stream key in there, and then not only can I work on this script live, but it also kind of, I mean, makes sense. I never have to worry about not being able to upload my dot files now because my stream key is just sitting in here. So much better. I should have done that a long time ago, but you know, whatever. It's not like I'm a smart guy. Sound is better. Webcam lag immediately after. Audio is a bit improved. Interesting. Okay, so it seems like the audio crackling just goes away after a certain amount of time. Okay, so it just apparently how this stream script works is, for the first like 10-15 minutes of a stream, you're going to get crackling, and then it will just work after that. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Clap for us. There you go. There's a clap for you. There you go. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, like when people ask me about the script, I have to tell them like it's black magic. I don't know. Like if you're having issues with it, I'm sorry. I can't help you. If it works for you, that's awesome. But I can't even be happy that it's working for you, because I'm like, oh, that's just, you had incredible luck like me. That's really it. And try 44/100 as a bit rate. Yep, out of sync. Yes. It's going to be out of sync by about 500 milliseconds. My buddy just pulled up, so we are about to have to end the stream. You have to warm up your mic before a stream, just like warming up the car. It's so true. So true. There's render lag on the audio. it's not really render lag. It's the audio is out of sync completely. I'm sorry, Nosy, but that won't happen. You can enjoy Ubuntu all you want, but I'm not interested at all. Like, I just like OpenBSD. It's not that I think Ubuntu's bad. It's just I'm not interested. I really like OpenBSD, and it's, at least in my opinion, it's fun to do this kind of stuff. It's fun to mess around with the script, try to get it to work, and then not know why. What sort of host name is that? Oh, good point. Taco Bell foot lettuce. That's the best host name. That's actually my domain address. All right, so Buddy's gonna go crazy. My buddy's here. I'm gonna go to the door. Hope all of you guys have a good one. Yeah, buddy, you get him. I'll see you, boys. Thanks everybody for being here for the test stream. Thank you. You guys have helped a lot. So take care, boy. Oh, I won't end it yet.